What's up, YouTube? Man, your boy fresh off work, still got my boots on, everything on. I'm up here at the Lake of Ozarks, you know, fresh off, and it's a nice little pond. They said it's over here by the old building. So let's see what we can catch. It's gonna be kind of hard. I ain't got my mud boots on, but we gonna see. Let's walk over here where it's not so wet, so muddy. It's a whole bunch of lily pads, so let's try the frog out first. Oh, there go a couple frogs right there. Let's see what we get. Oh, you see the frog over there? Nothing. Uh-oh, think I got a fish on. Oh, yeah, I got one. Oh, got one. I can't go no closer. Come on. Don't do me like that. Oh, man. You know what? We're going to work them over here. Can't lose the fish. Get him over here. Oh, I'm in the mud. Oh, these damn lily pads. How am I gonna get this fish off? Shit, I'm hooked on these lily pads. God damn. Oh, I got him loose. I got him loose. He's still jumping. Oh, let me take out my stuff. Got him loose. Oh, he's jumping out the water still. Oh, got him. Got him. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got him. Y'all see it. It took me a while to get him, though. He inhaled that thing. Let me get my Whew. Yes, sir. Finally. Hey, man, calm down. We're gonna get the hook up out of you real soon. First fish in the Ozarks, baby. God damn it, swallowed the hook. Finally got the hook out. Let's see what he weigh. I'll say about a half a pound. See what he weigh. Oh, pound. Pound right there. Oh, I got one. Fish on. Fish on. I gotta walk way back over here again. Oh, he on too. He on. Oh. Damn. Boots got super muddy. Come on. Come on, lily pad. Show me some love. There we go. Show me some love, baby. Fish number 2 of the day. Yes, sir. Let's see what he weigh, baby. Okay. Golly, this hook is hard to get out. You're gonna get it out though. Golly, let me get my bar. There we go. Let's see what he weigh, baby. Another pound. Yes, sir. Another pound. Second fish out here in Missouri. Lake Ozarks. At the little pond. Yes, sir. Let's let him go. Backflip. Just when I was gonna get ready to go, I caught another one. Come on, man. Golly.